I completely agree with what Mr. Jain said. It's a fact that you can walk through session spots, accused are talking to people, and I want to set the record straight. One is he could have spoken to anybody with
this
the permission.
This is not about the courts only. This is about entitlement.
Just please allow me to speak, ma'am. Have some courtesy. Allow me to speak.
Calm down, everyone. Yeah.
And what you were saying about the state government, the permission is not required from the state government. It's required from the court while he's before the court. And from the prison authority.
But there was no permission from the court with him. That's again a contradiction here.
Yes.
No, 1 second.
Yes.
Kapil. So that's the point. That's the illegality.
You're contradicting.
That's the illegality.
There was no permission from the court.
Have themselves right now on record just before we started
that is entitlement
no permission was taken.
No permission is a complete violation.
Zoom out.
And in this entire case, from the very start, it is Parambir who files this particular letter against Deshmukh. The Chandimal Commission is actually looking into this since May 30th. It refuses to talk about the Chandimal Commission.
You know, this is so disappointing. I think it is. I think it is basic jurisprudence that people accused of co-conspiracy cannot meet. And these people, Sachin Waze and Parambir, know that. Prison manuals, conditions, Supreme Court, interim protection, norms, basic legalities, all violate.
No, Arnab, there is no such law. Co-accused can talk.
Are you...
Co-accused can talk.
Co-accused.
I
think Kapil will respond to that. I request you, Shilpi Jain, I request you to get kindly allow me to respond to her. It may have been I didn't want to do this, but I request you to get reacquainted with the Criminal Procedure Code and look at Chapter 5. Chapter 5, Section 41. Chapter 5, Section 41. I'm not sure.
Let me rephrase it for her.
Chapter 5, Section 41, Criminal Procedure Code.
One accused from talking to the other. Let your co-panelist who supports you answer me. Which is that law?
It's just unbelievable.
I'm not supporting or not supporting anyone. I'm only supporting the law, ma'am.
Illegality has happened.
Rephrase it to you. Are you telling me that two co-accused, before evidence is to be given, before statement has to be given, meet in closed doors, decide on what is to be said, and then come to the commission and make a statement? If you're telling me this is what the law is, then I'm very sorry for your interpretation of law, ma'am. Madam, of course you can speak, but not before evidence, not to conspire as to what kind of evidence has to be given. Madam, please don't even say that.
They were conspiring. Which is that law?
What were they doing behind closed doors? They cannot be talking about chai kaise banani hai, ma'am.
It was done without
please, don't even go there. After that, one of the co-accused comes to the court, comes to the commission and makes a statement.
You are deviating.
I am not deviating, madam. I am only shocked at your interpretation of law, madam.
No.
I am not deviating anywhere. Please.
This is so sorry. Such a bad precedent. I'll only say rhythm. I'll only say today. And I know that you're both a lawyer as well as a very, very seasoned, legal editor. It is so unfortunate tonight that we have to debate this.